Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to do the October dump photo trend on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap the search icon at the bottom. Now tap the search bar at the top. Type Review Information and tap on the profile. Then tap on the story highlight bubble from the profile. Find the one that says your October dump, and tap Add yours on the sticker. The sticker will now be copied to your story. From the gallery, choose the photo from October that you want to post with the sticker. You can resize the sticker, and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. So in this way, you can do the October dump photo trend on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.